Everyone, welcome back to my vlog. This is my garden. It's my spring garden. Is I plant a new plants. This is beautiful called, I don't know how to read the name. Is let me read the name. Beautiful. Let me read the name. What's the name? Is a Roman accent. It is full of sunset. Is lemon coral. It's lemon coral. Beautiful lemon coral. Beautiful lemon coral for spring. Is annual plants. So only live in once a year. And this is beautiful. This is interesting. The beautiful flowers is annual Mexican heather. It's annual Mexican heather. Annual Mexican heather. So spring flowers too is on so annual. So shout out to all the viewers, subscribers, and everyone. And this is perennial. Perennial. This is Dianthus perennials. Dianthus perennials. So beautiful the spring flowers. So perennials is it come out every year. Annual is not coming back. Only live once a year. So it depends if you leave them in a house, you live forever. But if you leave them in the winter time, they will die. So shout out to all the viewers, subscribers, hello everyone. Shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Hello to you all. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. It's me again, it's Pinay Vlog. And please like and share my YouTube channel and subscribe. Thank you and God bless. And I plant red bell pepper also, and cherry tomatoes right there too. And I have some lemongrass is about to come up too. So shout out to all the viewers, subscribers, and everyone. I plant early before Mother's Day. Bell peppers, red bell peppers, and cherry tomatoes right there. So shout out to all the viewers, subscribers, and everyone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. It's me again, Vlog. Thank you for watching. God bless you all so long, and see you again soon for the next vlog. I love flowers, so I plant flowers every year. So like and share, subscribe my YouTube channel. It's me again, it's Pinay Vlog. Thank you for watching. God bless you all so long, and see you again soon for the next vlog. Have a good night, and thank you for watching. See you soon, and God bless. Like and share, subscribe, and shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Shout out to you all, and love you guys, and thank you, and God bless you all so long. See you again soon for the next vlog. Thank you, and God bless.